First of all, thanks for being here on my YouTube channel. Here in this video, we are going to learn some of the rules in English, especially about subject or agreement problems. Dear friends, listen carefully. There are 30 rules about subject or agreement problems. But here in this video, we are going to learn only 2 of them. Okay? Don't worry, I will teach remaining rules in the later part of the video. But in this video, we are going to learn only 2 of them. Okay? So without any further delay, let's get started. Rule number 1. Make a verb agree in number with its subject. It means whenever you use verb in sentences that must agree with its subject. If the subject is in singular, then the verb must be in singular. If the subject is in plural, then the verb must be in plural. Look at the examples below. She runs every morning. So here the singular subject is she. That's why it takes the singular verb runs. In the second example, he likes coffee. The singular subject is he. That's why it takes singular verb likes. In the third example, we are talking about only one person. So the singular subject is the boy. That's why it takes the singular verb plays. Look at the fourth example carefully. They play football. Here the subject is they. That is in plural. That's why it takes the plural verb play. In fifth example, the girls are happy. So we are talking about more than one girl, right? That is in plural, the girls. That's why it takes the verb in plural form, are. Look at the sixth example carefully. Many students get confused in these type of examples. The list of spare parts was long. So here in this sentence, the subject is the least. Okay, that's why it takes the singular verb was. Many students think that parts is the subject. Actually, it's wrong. The subject is the least. The least of spare parts was long. The lists of spare parts were long. So in this sentence, the subject is in plural. That's why it takes the plural verb were. In conclusion, singular subjects take singular verbs and plural subjects take plural verb. Look at the rule number 2. A pronoun agrees in number with its antecedent. Do you know what is called an antecedent? Look at the sentence below. Radha is an intelligent girl in the class and she is my best friend. Now imagine Radha is your friend. You are talking about Radha. So when you started talking about Radha, you mentioned her name. Okay? But in the second part of the sentence, you didn't mention her name. You mentioned she as pronoun. So in this sentence, the pronoun is she and its antecedent is Radha. Okay? I hope you understand. Even an animal has its own territory. Here in this example, an animal is subject that is in singular. That's why it takes singular pronoun its. Even animals have their own territory. In this example, animals, the subject is in plural. That's why it takes the plural pronoun there. In conclusion, singular antecedents are referred to by singular pronouns and plural antecedents are referents of plural pronouns. Friends, listen carefully. When it comes to English grammar, there is no hard and fast rule. Some of the rules and some of the exceptions we need to remember. Okay? Here, a plural verb is always required after you, even when it is used in the singular, referring to one person. Now imagine Ramesh is your friend. You are talking about Ramesh. You have to say, you are my friend, not you is my friend, even though you are talking about only Ramesh. Okay, whenever you use pronoun in sentences like you have to use verb in plural form, even you are talking about only one person. I hope you understand. You were very helpful during my stay with you, not you was. Here, an important note. S added to a noun indicates the plural form, but S added to a verb indicates the third person singular. Look at the sentence. A girl is crying in the ground. Here we are talking about only one girl. Many girls are there in the ground. Here in this sentence we are talking about more than one girl. Okay. But look at the both sentences carefully. A girl, many girls, that both are nouns as well as both are subject in the sentences. So whenever you add yes to the noun, it becomes plural. Okay. But if you add yes to the verb, it indicates that you are talking about third person singular. Look at the right side of the example. She favors the moon. Here in this sentence, the verb is favor. If we add yes to the verb, it becomes favors. It indicates that you are talking about third person singular, that is he, she, it. Okay, same. She likes cake. Here, like is the verb. If we add yes, it becomes likes. It indicates that you are talking about third person singular. Okay, I hope you understand. Thanks for watching. And dear friends, listen carefully. Even though these two rules are very simple, this video is not for beginners. Because if you are a too beginner, even though you can't able to understand what is called as subject, what is called as verb, object, don't worry. Let me know in the comment section. I will make video series especially for beginners. Okay. In the later part of the video, I'm going to teach you some complicated examples so you can understand them very easily. And if you're looking for just polish your English, then this video series is for you. Okay. So till then, stay tuned. If you like the video, please like it and share your friends and families. And let me know your feedback in the comment section and subscribe the channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye. Take care.